Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. I'm blind. Yes, I know. I really am blind though. In fact, let me show you one of the things that I use on a daily basis. And no, it's not a guide dog. Contrary to popular belief, not every blind person uses a guide dog. And they're called dog guides, by the way. So this is my white cane. And this is what I use on a daily basis to get around to places, so I don't fall all over myself. Think of the white cane as an extended finger. Basically, it helps me find things like steps, and the sidewalk, and curbs, so I don't have accidents. And this is Willow. She's 6. She was kind of an emergency placement. You can watch my video titled Taking in a New Temporary Dog to see Willow's story. She likes going for car rides, hot dogs, and sleeping. Her favorite things are to be petted, playing with her toys, and sleeping. So join me and Willow, who's currently laying on her back waiting for her tummy rub, as we show you what it's like living life as a blind person. You know you want to, right, Willow? Come on this crazy journey with us. What's that? Oh, you thought Willow was blind too. Nope, Willow's not blind. She's just tagging along for the ride. What? Okay, fine. Come join me and I'll show you what it's like living life as a blind person. But Willow's tagging along too. Sometimes. Most of the time. I have been working on doing laundry. I hate doing laundry, and that's pretty much what I've done so far today. It rained really hard, and Willow and Daisy were scared of it. Willow barked at the thunder, and Daisy had to get in bed with me, and I redid one of my nails because it was cracking, chipping, whatever you want to call it, and read a book. That's pretty much been my day.
Does Willow have a toy? Can I have it? I want it. Ew, it's your bone. I want it. I want your red bone. Can I have it? I want it. Trying to hide it from me? That's rude. Can I have it? Please? I got it. It's mine. I got it. It's mine. It's mine. I got it. See? I got it. It's mine. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ready? You want it? You want it? You want it? Ready? Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Ah. No, don't lay on my foot. Bring me the toy. You turd head. I gotta go get my laundry, Willow. Yeah. I have put away all of my laundry. Yay! You guys know how much I hate doing that, right? Putting away laundry, I hate it. There's a couple pieces that weren't dry yet, and there was some stuff in the dryer, so I kind of snuck those in with that stuff. so hopefully they'll get dry. And Willow's been playing with her toys this entire time. Haven't you? Yeah, you've been playing with your toys. Alright, this is the end of the video, so I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're brand new. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Stephieonyoutube1. Don't forget to follow me on Labrie. It's the same as my YouTube channel name, which is 1998 Stephanie 2010. And you can find all these links on my YouTube page below the About section. My email address is stephieonyoutube@gmail.com, and you can find that in the About section of my YouTube page. And you can also find it down in the description, along with my Facebook, Twitters, and Labrie links. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys!